And once you generate this, you can play around with the other layers also which you need to create it. So let me quickly, you can see the scale not set by this for this particular layer. So again I'll go for OK, so that information will be also generated. So let me go to my survey layer, and here quickly I will show you the couple of analysis protocol how to do that. Let me also talk about how to use those features to quickly estimate, or you can say investigate, what is the gradient, what is the slope, what are the different contours that typically I will show you. So how to check that? If you typically go to the analysis and you go to the surface analysis, here you have different options. So I am selecting my layer here. So after selecting this layer, what I will do is I'll go for the level band analysis. Here you can see the minimum height from the ground is 1.29 meter and maximum is 88.93. So by keeping this, you can go to the band and you can see the 10 number of bands are selected by default. So I'll just go to next to showcase you how this band analysis will look like. So that the maximum what we do is we used to use 0.25 to maximum 7 to 8% of this contour data as per the ISC and Astro. At we use within that 5 to 6% maximum and 0.25% during this road data analysis. So typically after analysis, this which area are under which type of the band, or you can say the typically what you say the contour. So based on those, the level contour, you will be able to manage that where I have to use which kind of design scenario. Maybe you talk about the pavement, maybe you talk about the extension of that, and maybe you talk about the hedges, or maybe the typical fencing, and maybe the slope which you apply for the drainage and all the activities. So there you have to precisely talk about the analysis protocol and how to do, and the step-by-step approach, what exactly you are going to apply is right or wrong, that you have to diagnose it. And after diagnosing that, you need to go for the second step. So in my coming series video lecture, I am going to show all these very simple silly steps which you need to do in a project, and what all you have to do, and also whatever the exercise file I am using inside this series, that also you can request me, and I can also keep all those exercise file to you so that you can practice and use this. So most of the the video training site like YouTube and all, if you Google, you won't get much about MX Road. So I thought to start publishing a training series in MX, and I am having a very deadline and target also to publish many other domain, like typical domain like the geo and the roads and survey, and in coming days you will be getting those, and some will be paid and some will be free. So some paid you can go through my site and get that. And so how you like, comment it, and below the subscribe, you can subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestions, definitely I'll appreciate, and please keep that.